We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. When our customers give glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.